Good morning, students. Today we'll discuss problems on hexagonal lamina. Let us take this problem. A regular hexagonal lamina of side 25 mm is lying in such a way that one of its corner is on HP, while the corner opposite to the corner on which it rests is on VP. The lamina makes 60 degree to HP. Draw the projections of the lamina. So this is the given problem. So in this problem, the type of lamina is hexagonal lamina, and it says that the side is 25 mm, is resting on HP with one of its corner, and also it says that the corner opposite to the corner on which it rests is on VP, and also the lamina makes 60 degree to HP. So we need to draw the projection of the hexagonal lamina. So in the first position, second position, and third position, we need to draw. So before constructing any drawing in SolidEdge software, first do the sheet setup. Just go to sheet setup and select A4 size and show remove this show background option, save default, okay, and fit the sheet. So this is the thing we need to do before doing any drawing. Now let us solve this problem using SolidEdge software. Now first thing is we need to construct XY line. So I'll select a line and the line thickness is, let us take a thin line. I'm assuming thickness of the line is 0.10 mm. Let's draw XY line. So this is my XY line. So now indicate VP and HP and XY line. So go to text and this is my X, and keep font size, go to text and this should be in Times New Roman, and keep font size 3.50 or 4 mm if you want. So better you can keep 3.50. Now this is my X and this is Y. Just mark VP and mark HP. So now I'll rearrange these terms. So this is my X and this is my Y, and this is my vertical plane. Just this is my VP and this is my HP. So this is the first step. Now in the second step, so I'll construct the first position. So lamina is a hexagonal lamina, corner resting on HP. Okay. Now let us construct an hexagonal lamina. So go to line and let us take line thickness is 0.50. So now I'm constructing the top view. Top view. First, let us construct the hexagonal lamina. Say saying the side is 25 mm, so length is 25 and base angle is 0, and length is 25, base angle is 60 into 1, that is 60 degree. Length is 25, base angle is 60 into 2, then length is 25, base angle is 60 into 3, then length is 25, angle is 60 into 4, then length is 25, angle is 60 into 5. So I got hexagonal lamina. Okay. So now we can check the angles. Just check the side of the lamina. So this is 25. See, in hexagonal lamina, all interior angles are 60 degree. So these are all interior angle. All interior angles are 60 degree. Okay. So now I will place lamina in the required positions. So now I will keep my lamina somewhere here just for my reference. So now draw the vertical, now go for naming. So I'll go to text and Times New Roman and is a 3.50. So let us do naming. So if I say corner A, this is my corner B, this is my corner C, this is my corner D, this is my corner E, and this is my corner F. Now rearrange these terms. So this is my corner A, and this is my corner B, this is my corner C, then this is my corner D. So now this is my corner E and this is my F. Now draw vertical projection lines to get different view in the first position. So go to line. Now I'm constructing projection line. Go to line. Let us take line thickness is 0.10 mm. Say from corner A I am drawing vertical projection line. So now from B I am drawing vertical projection line. Then from C I am drawing vertical projection line. Then from D I am drawing vertical projection line. Then from E and from F we need to draw vertical projection line. So now complete the front view. So go to line and select line thickness is 0.50. So we need to draw a line from here to here, then from here to here, then from here to here. Don't draw a line continuously from initial position to end position. So now go for naming. So now naming is I go to text, and similarly font size is times Nero, font size is 3.50. Now this corner is A dash, and this corner is B dash of F dash. So I'll call it as B dash of uh, B dash of F dash. Then this corner is C dash of E dash, C dash of E dash, and this is D dash corner. So this is my D dash corner. Let's arrange the terms in a proper way. So this is my dash, and this is my B dash of F dash, and this is my C dash of E dash, and this is my dash. Now let us construct the second position. So in the second position, the lamina makes 60 degree to HP, means surface lamina makes 60 degree to HP. So now I will construct the front view in the second position. So here you select this front view, and go to more option. Copy should be on. Select the corner A dash and place on XY line at any convenient distance. So now go to rotate. Go to rotate. Now I'm rotating this element. Already elements get selected. This is my center of the rotation. I'm rotating this element. I'm rotating like this. So this angle is given 60 degree. The rotation angle is 60 degree, and remember, copy should be off. Copy should be off, and just press enter and check the angles. See, I will rearrange these terms. So now check the angles. Just go to angle between and try to measure the angle. So here we have angle between this and this, this and this and this angle is 1 minute. So I'll zoom this area and I'll measure the angle. I go to angle between this. So this angle is 60 degree. Okay. So now just draw vertical projection lines. So I'm drawing vertical projection line to get the front view, to get the top view in the second position. So now I will go to line, and it is a thin line. Use thickness is 0.13 mm. See, from A dash, I'm drawing vertical downward projection line. Then from B dash of F dash, draw vertical downward projection line. Then from C dash of E dash, draw vertical downward projection line. Then from D dash, draw vertical downward projection line. So now from here, from A dash to E, you will get A dash. Then from B dash to B, you will get B. Then from C dash to C, then from D dash. So from D to D dash, this is my D, and D dash is here, D dash. Then from E to E dash, then from F to F dash, and A to A dash. So now let us complete the um, top view in the second position. Just trim unwanted lines, extra lines. So now I'll go to line, and line thickness I will use 0.50. See A dash intersection line. Just pick. So choose the endpoint. I'll zoom this area, and let's try now. So now I'll go to line. You see showing intersection point A, and go to B dash. So this is my B dash. Then go to C. This is my CC dash, D dash, E dash, FF dash, and A dash. So I got the top view in the second position. Let's do naming. So just I'll go to text. So I'll go to text times neuron and 3.50. Just type E, B, C, D, E, and F. So now just do the rearrange the terms. So this is my corner E in the second position. This is my corner B, and this is my corner C. This is my corner D. This is my corner E, and this is my corner F. This is my corner F. Okay, so I completed the second portion. So next, in the third portion, he says that the corner opposite to the corner on which it rests is on VP. Okay, so means corner A dash is resting on HP. So for corner A, opposite corner is D. So as per this problem, D should be on VP. D should be on VP. Now let us complete the top view in the second position. So now I'll go to more option. Just return the copy and select the top view here. Just select this top view including text and select corner D and place the corner D on XY line at any convenient distance from the second position. Then go to rotate. Copy should be off. Select the element to rotate. So I am selecting point D. It's the center of rotation. I am rotating AD like this. I'll rotate like this. It should be exact 90-degree rotation angle should be 90 degree, and remember copy should be off. Okay, so now in the this is my point D. This is my point D. Okay, so now the next one is very simple. Just draw the projection line. You will get the front view in the third position. So go to line and let us take line thickness is 0.50. See from A dash, A dash, you will get on the intersection point here. Then go to B dash. This is my B projection line, and let's do one thing. You draw the projection line. See from A, I draw one projection line. From B, I'm drawing a projection line. From C, I'm drawing projection line. Just take a line thickness 0.10. From D, I am drawing a projection line. From E, I am drawing projection line. From F, I am also drawing projection line. Okay. Now this side, go to line. See A dash. A is here. A dash is here. You can draw projection line. Then from B dash of F dash, just draw horizontal projection line. Then from C dash of E dash, draw horizontal projection line. From D dash, draw horizontal projection line. So trim the unwanted lines. I don't want these extra lines, and also here I don't want these extra lines. So now complete the front view in the third portion. Go to line thickness I will use 0.50. See A dash. Just select the intersection point A dash. Okay. So then we have B dash. This is my B dash, and C dash. Then D dash, then E dash. Just select the intersection point E dash, then F and F dash, then again A and A dash. Okay, so I completed third position. I completed the front view in the third position. So now let's go with naming. Just go for naming. I'll go to text. I go to text, and it should be in times neuron 3.50. Just type A dash B dash, say A dash, and this is say, let's say B dash, let's say C dash, let's say D dash, similarly E dash, and F dash. First type the namings. Now this is my A dash. See, this is my A dash, and this is my B dash, this is my C dash, this is my D dash, this is my E dash, and this is my F dash. Okay, so this completes hexagonal lamina resting on HP, and also the corner opposite to the corner on which it rests is on VP. So this complete this problem. So thank you, and thank you so much.